Kouakou. And the French hero here, everybody here in the Stade de France, eyes on him. Well, they're away. Abando Asprilla, despite whatever cramp he had, absolutely flying around the first bend. The Brazilian Tavares Martins on the hunt as well. Charles-Antoine Kouakou's making ground. Well, it's looking pretty close at the moment, but Kouakou's looking like he's coming round in lane 4. Can Abando Asprilla hold on? He's slowing. The Malaysian is catching his oar, tightening up. Well, he's done it. Abando Asprilla, I think it was, coming through for Paralympic gold. Well, is he breathing heavy or just doing a few sit-ups to show off? That was brilliant, Annika.
Sensational run. You know, we weren't too sure what was happening prior to the race, because, you know, it appeared he did have cramp, or we were led to believe he had cramp, but, you know, he took the win nonetheless, and what a fantastic way to do so.
48.09 the time. He's about a second and a half behind Conceição's world record. Silver medal to David Jose Pineda-Meyer, and Yovani Philippe from Mauritius coming through. The season's best acclaims bronze. Well, look at that. Just another day at the office for Abando Asprilla.
Abando Asprilla.